Are your Instagram story comments not showing up? Let's fix it in under 60 seconds. First, make sure your internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reload Instagram. Next, fully close Instagram and reopen it. On iPhone, swipe up. On Android, use the Recent Apps button and clear it. Go to the App Store or Google Play and check for Instagram updates. Install any pending update. If comments still don't show, try logging out and back in. Tap your profile, then the menu, and choose Log Out. Now let's check the story and comment settings that usually block replies from appearing. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Messages and Story Replies. Tap it, then open Story Replies. Under Allow Message Replies, choose everyone or at least people you follow so their comments can appear. Now check if you've accidentally muted someone. Go back, tap Blocked and Hidden Words, and review your hidden list. Also open hidden reply requests and make sure real comments aren't stuck there by mistake. Finally, post a new story and ask a friend to reply. If their comment appears, you're all set. If not, report the issue to Instagram.